Hello, Mrs. Hogue here with a lesson on how to create a clipping mask in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, what exactly is a clipping mask? A clipping mask is when an image is placed inside text, usually done in advertisements like this Wheat Thins box, where they have one image placed inside their text, do what you do with whole grain. It's often used in making a postcard, like this one for Nashville. Notice there's a different image inside each letter. They also applied font effects to this postcard like we've done in the past, with a black font, with a black stroke around the font, and a yellow 3D effect. The goal today is to create a clipping mask of your own with at least 5 different characters, 5 different pictures, some font effects, and a background image applied. Here's some previous examples from students. This one was a sporting theme. You can tell there's a black stroke around this. They also have a background image that they lowered the opacity on. Here's another one with the social media theme, noticing that there's a different image inside each letter. Another sporting theme, their stroke is different colors with blue and red. And then you can pick something simple like the word bouncy balls, placing an image inside each letter that's different. Let's go ahead and get started in Photoshop. We're going to create a new project, call it Clipping Mask, and go ahead and size that. I'm going to make mine 7 by 5.5. Make sure it's inches, and you can place whatever size you want there, whatever you think will fit your words. We're going to start out with the type tool that we have used in the past, making sure our font is black. And then you also want to make sure, it's very important that you pick a very big, wide font so you can see the image inside the letter. I'm going to pick Black Oak Standard. Now, on your font, you will make sure there is one letter per layer, not the whole word on one layer, just one letter only. And as you can see here, the letter T is on this layer. I'm going to move it down. And I'm also going to do the letter J. The requirements are at least 5. I'm just going to show you 2 of them real quick. You're going to go to the Google Images, or you can use your own images if you'd like. I'm going to pick our mascot. I'm going to save the image inside my pictures, making a folder for it called Clipping Mask. Just click New Folder right up here and call it Clipping Mask. Go ahead and save that in there. I'm going to cancel it because I've already saved it. I'm going to open that image up, File Open, like we've done in the past. Show both screens. Up here, your 2 up. And I'm just going to move that mascot over, close this picture, I don't need it anymore. Place the mascot or your image on top of the letter that you want. If you need to size it, go to Edit, Transform, Scale. We've done that many times in here, and just size it to cover up that letter. Commit that. Now, making sure the letter or the picture is on top of the letter. Hold down the key, Alt. You'll see the icon change when you do that. If you're in between the letter and the image, click it. And you'll notice now my picture is inside there. You can move it down a little bit if you want to see a certain part of it. You can even size it again if you want to. I'm just going to size mine down just a little bit so I can see the eye. Okay. And commit that. So now I have one letter done. As you notice, I can't see it very well. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the font effect. I'm just going to put a stroke on there. I'm going to make it black. You can pick whatever color you want. You can pick the size of the stroke. You can also do any other font effects there. Click OK. So I have one letter done with one picture. The font effects, you'll need a background image. And then you just keep going with each letter. Picture, letter, picture. Don't forget to hold down Alt. And when the icon changes, you click it. Let's have this done by the end of class time, and then we'll share them at the end.